You know, sometimes when a man has been pushed and pushed and pushed, you end up pushing back without even thinking. Think about this, Wallace brothers. Of all the trauma that has been caused because of these two men, I was just hell-bent on making a solid point once and for all.
You ever hear about that girl? Karma.
She's a bitch.
Yes, and now both Wallaces are in bed with her. Look. One of them got mad. The other one is being driven crazy. So why you a play God?
I guess in my anger, I just selfishly needed to exact my pound of flesh.
This is not you. She's not the king I know. You're called king for a reason. Why are you behaving like the emperor who not on clothes? Behaving in a manner that will destroy both of us. Ejaculating all over my agency. I'm not about to come with you, if you pardon the pun. Look, all the things you have done in the past, you go lower yourself to kidnapping a young lady? For what?
To prove a point to Carlton Wallace. Is it a mere fact that Carleen could be dead and her body disposed of in an unceremonious way somewhere? Did it want him feel like he miss somebody he loves? And you and I both know that the king 5 years ago, we'd be discussing the whereabouts of her remains.
And that, my dear friend, I could not allow. Because if you made that mistake, I would have to check you out. Yes. Because she is one of my bodies.
But that's gonna be the Vaseline.
Yeah. If I'd wanted to bug you, my friend, you just made it so very easy. You took the instrument straight to your bosom. Life is so interesting. You're trying to F up Carlton Wallace. That young lady you have been accommodating is my knife.
I just found myself playing checkers
in a chess game.
Old friend, I know, being an adult, I dropped the ball wicked. And this is not even time for ask, but I still I gotta ask you, because I personally need one more play.
Don't tell me. You want to find out exactly how he feels about her?
Yes.
I happen to know, but feel free to find out on your own.
Thank you, old friend. And you do know that the grief I have caused you was not intentional.
Oh yes, I'm very aware of that. Why you think you're still living? Look, we've gone from mortal enemies to friends to very good friends. But we have all learned lessons together. Not the least of all being, never assume. When you do that, you make an ass out of you and me. Now, if you want to make an ass out of yourself, feel free. Leave me out of it. We good?
We good.
Oh. Oh. She was forced into hiding because she was afraid of what could happen to her son. But she's alive and well.